Sandra, and today I'm going to show what I'm going to give away for my June giveaway. So everybody who enters has to have a enter me in my comments no later than 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, June 27th. And then either on that day or the next day or sometime that weekend, I will pick a winner, and all that person has to do, email me at nailstampology@gmail.com. And I will ship giveaway to them. So this month I'm going to do, not only do you have to put in enter, but you also you must be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, then I just move on to somebody else. So you got to be a subscriber, you got to put enter in me in the comments, and you have to do it no later than 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, June 27th. Okay, so let's look at what I'm going to give away this month. So, I really need to order some more Maniology product, and I haven't because they had all these sales, and the stuff that I wanted wasn't in stock. So I got to go back on their website because some of the stuff was, and I've got to order a bunch more stuff. So anyway, okay, so the first one I want to give away is Maniology M433. And this is just a bunch of silly animals, and I think it's really cute. It's got like crocodiles here, and a little squirrel here, and a little tiger here, and just all kinds of little animals doing, just posing and stuff. We got frogs here. I think it's adorable plate. So if you really like little animals, this is cute. Love the full nail and love the individual ones. The second one I want to give away is this kind of abstract plate, and I think this is cool too. I think there's a lot of possibilities with this, and this is Maniology M249. So these are the two plates, and by the way, I still have Halloween plates, but I'm going to give those away a little later in the summer. I just gave away 2 Halloween plates for last month's giveaway, so I figured I'd do something different for this one. So there you have it. These are the 2 giveaway things, and they are both Maniology. And don't forget that if you order anything from Maniology, to please use my discount code, which is NS12. I'm sorry, NS10. Yeah, NS10. Almost gave you the wrong code. And when you order, what happens is I get a small commission, you get 10% off, and it's great for both of us. That way I can keep doing my giveaways. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.